Hello everyone, welcome to Codecraft. So in this video I'm going to show you how can we set up the Tailwind CSS in our React project. So let's get started. As you can see, my VS Code is open and I have set up the basic React project by using the create react app command. This is my app.js file. So what I'm going to do, I will start the server and I will open that in my browser. Now I visit tailwindcss.com so that we can go through how can we set up. So I will go to get started, and after that I will open framework guide. Here you can see lot of options, so I will click on create react app and we'll go through the steps that is mentioned in the documentation. So let me quickly go through it. After that we have the steps that we need to follow while integrating the Tailwind CSS with our React project. The first step is create your React project. So I already done this, so I will skip this and I will go to second step, that is install Tailwind CSS. So what I am going to do, I am going to copy this command using this copy button, copy, and I will go to my VS Code and paste. First I will stop my server and will paste the command that I copied and hit enter. Yeah, so process is in progress. Let me tell you what this command will do. The first command basically install Tailwind CSS as a dev dependency in our JSON package.json file, and the next command will create a Tailwind CSS config file in our root folder. Yeah, this is done. You can see under package.json we have Tailwind CSS under dev dependency, and after that what I'm going to do, I'm going to tailwind.config.js file and copy this path to that file. So what this will do, this will add the path of my whole component, React component, into the tailwind.config.js file. So here you can see the path is .source and whatever inside is like inside it, either js, tx, txs or jxs. And then I'm going to index.css and copy these three directives to my index.css file. I will copy this, go to my index.js file, and remove everything and just paste this command that I copied. So this file already imported in our base folder, so it got applied to the whole project. Now I will again start the server, so let me quickly start it. Server is running. Yeah, server is running. Yeah, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to my app.js file and remove everything from there and just put a simple h1 tag with message subscribe to Clever Code. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button below this video. So let's move ahead. So you can see we got this message over in the browser. Now as you can see, like h1 tag contains some default behavior, like the font size, and it is in bold, but as you can see, nothing got applied. That is because we have put those three commands in index.css, so it removed everything that is by default applied to the tag, and add some class, say text to Excel, so it will increase the font size of my h1 tag. As you can see, the font size got increased. Yeah, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give some color to this h1 tag, say text color of red with some shade. So these are the predefined class that we have to know. Like if you want to work with Tailwind CSS, you can get all these details on that on their website, like what class you want to apply for what result. So you can see the color will change. One more thing, if you are using Tailwind CSS, I will recommend you some this Tailwind CSS intelligence extension. So this will help you a lot in your like development phase. So it will auto import the class and you will get to know what class we have to apply. So now you can say uh, the same thing we can achieve by using the bootstrap, right? So what is the use of this Tailwind CSS? As you can see, they have written that it helps you build modern website very fast without ever leaving your HTML. So that means you don't have to leave your JSX file and create some .css file in your project. You can do what you want using your .js or JSX file just there. Like in bootstrap, if you see you can't provide custom class. Like suppose you want to provide font size of 48px, so we can't provide there, but in Tailwind we can do that. So that's the main advantage of Tailwind CSS over bootstrap. Like we can create any custom style that we want. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please do let me know in the comment section.